pure bass true wireless with Bluetooth 5.0, hybrid diaphragm and independent transmission. And today we got bloody M30 true wireless earphones to unbox and review. So first of all, a quick reminder, A4 Tech Bloody ने अपने new wireless earphones में 3 models M30, M70 and M90 introduce किए हैं. So first we are checking out most economical option, that is M30 for today. And box में हमें very important quick start guide, USB Type-C charging cable and couple of extra ear sleeves of different sizes मिलते हैं. जबकि एक्चुअल ईयरफोन प्रोटेक्टिव चार्जिंग केस में सिक्योर आते हैं जो लाइट वेट एंड ऑलमोस्ट 3 फिंगर वाइड हैं. देयर इज ब्लडी ब्रांडिंग ऑन फ्रंट, USB Type-C charging port and a very small LED indicator with it. Lid has to be opened by slight force, but it will not open up at its own in your pocket or purse. And upon closing it, I love this snap. And according to official specs, this charging case is equipped with 500 mAh lithium ion battery, जो लेस देन 1.5 आवर्स में 0 to max चार्ज होकर अराउंड 22 आवर्स का प्ले टाइम प्रोवाइड करेगा एट 50% वॉल्यूम सेटिंग. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ज़्यादातर अराउंड 80 to 90% वॉल्यूम सेटिंग्स पर अपने एयरफोन्स या हेडसेट्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो हेयर आई गेस इट शुड बी कैपेबल ऑफ डिलीवरिंग रफली अराउंड 15 to 18 आवर ऑफ प्लेबैक. और अब एक्चुअल ईयरफोन्स को देखते हैं जो नो डाउट गुड क्वालिटी प्लास्टिक के बने हैं. एंड आई रिकग्नाइज देयर शेप इंस्टेंटली, जो प्लांट वर्सेस ज़ॉम्बीज गेम के पी प्लांट और ऑल्सो नोन एज पी शूटर से रिजेंबल कर रहे हैं. Well, this pea shooter, I mean earphone got ergonomic design with medium sized, very soft ear sleeve equipped as default, and outer surface of both earphones got small bloody logo with touch control panel. So before you start using your brand new bloody M30 earphones, step 1, first remove protective plastic covering on both earphones. उसके बाद दोनों earphones को चार्जिंग केस में इंसर्ट करें and connect your charging case with any charger using USB Type-C cable. तो अब हमारे earphones completely charge हो चुके हैं. That took around 3 hours. And according to user manual, just removing earphone from their charging case bring them in pairing mode. So मोबाइल पर Bluetooth ऑन करके इन्हें पेयर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Success. One thing I really liked about these earphones at first use is their excellent comfortable design. Earphones ear में perfectly fit आते हैं, hence blocking most of outside noise. तो first हम audio test different songs and movies के ऊपर try करते हैं. And here I must say, these are incredible. Frequency separation, clear vocals, high bass, everything satisfactory. Despite the fact earphones got 10mm speaker unit each, but their other specs are just like any other bloody headset, like 20Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, 105 decibels sensitivity, and -42 decibels mic sensitivity. But there is a slight delay in audio and video that seems weird. But with little research on sound lag, there was actually problem with mobile Bluetooth settings, जिसे easily developer mode में जाकर fix किया जा सकता है by following few easy steps, जिसका लिंक वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर भी ऐड कर दिया है. So moving on to mobile gaming experience, तो just like multimedia, it's excellent. As previously, ब्लडी के ही दूसरे ओवर द एयर हेडसेट्स को हमने मोबाइल फोन्स के साथ कनेक्ट करके टेस्ट किए हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग हेयर तो देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी सीम्स स्क्वीज्ड इन ईच अदर, but with these pair of earphones, you will definitely feel the sound difference. Moreover, directional audio is also good with satisfactory range. और रेंज से याद आया कि according to official specs, these earphones have connection range of up to 10 meters, and today I am here to confirm this connection range. So our first stop will be at 5 meters. That is half the distance as per described in specs. And last stop will be where connection starts disrupting. And now we are at 5 meters away from our device and our earphones are still connected. So finally we are at 10 meter away from our device और यहाँ पर मेरे earphones slightly disconnect होना शुरू हो गए हैं. So definitely Bloody का 10 meter connectivity claim is totally correct. But this range decreases significantly अगर आपकी device and earphones के दरमियान कोई obstructions just like walls वगैरह आ जाती हैं. But on practical side, your earphones should give you smooth connection within your room. तो as ये earphones Bluetooth से connect होते हैं, तो I also try to connect them with my PC using this small Bluetooth device and bang, these earphones got connected to my PC like a charm. But unfortunately, audio quality got less detailed and lower bass as compared to mobile phones. Maybe possible it's because of Bluetooth device I'm using with my PC, but still these earphones are pretty much usable. तो चलें लास्ट में हम earphones को PlayStation 4 से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो device do get detected, but unfortunately it's not compatible with PlayStation 4 Bluetooth connection. Now on bright side, तो another good feature with these earphones वो ये कि आप दोनों earphones को separately मोबाइल से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Means you can only use just left or just right earphones separately. Pretty much useful, right? अगर one side of earphone गुम या ख़राब हो जाते हैं तो. Well, for battery life of just earphones lasts almost 2.5 hours, जिसके बाद मुझे earphones को charging case से charge करना पड़ा है. And overall battery life of charging case plus earphones gave me around 10 to 15 hours of play time, and my volume settings were around 80 to 90% all the time. So my final thoughts on these earphones, तो ये कुछ good as well as ordinary features के साथ हैं. Like I really love the design and comfort जो even vigorous head movements पर ear से displace नहीं होते, making them ideal to use during exercise. इसके अलावा different sizes of ear sleeves included in the box is a plus. Very easy to set up and easy to control, and obviously great sound quality both in multimedia and gaming with clear mic during calls. इसके अलावा triple tap on touch sensor that will bring Google Voice Assistance or Siri in iOS. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Where do frogs keep their money? The riverbank.
Lol. And last में acceptable battery life, still it takes little more time to charge. But I think price tag of around 4500 is bit high when we compare them with more budget options like Mi Dots वगैरह. But still I think bloody earphones good sound quality, fast connection and easy setup की वजह से superior हैं. तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आज की वीडियो भी आपको पसंद आई होगी, जिसके लिए इसको लाइक एंड शेयर करें, और अगर अभी तक आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें. नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में दोबारा आप सबसे मुलाकात होगी. अपना बेहद ख्याल रखिएगा. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.